I love lemon. Anything lemon, and I'm in. Most of all, I love doTERRA's lemon. Now, lemon goes in my water every single day. I love it. It is great for detoxification. It's great for keeping the kidneys flushed through. It is an amazing, powerful oil. Did you know that our lemon doesn't come from the juice? It comes from the rind. A lot of people didn't know that. I didn't know that. Anyway, but today I'm not going to talk about the rind, and I'm not going to talk about putting it in my water. But what I am going to talk about is showing you how to make an amazing counter spray, window spray, glass spray. 3 ingredients. If you've got your lemon, you're halfway there. If you've got a sink with water, you're almost home. If you've got some white vinegar, which just seems like we all have, then you're ready to make an amazing counter spray. So what you're going to do is make sure you have a glass bottle. You can pick them up at Amazon, you can pick them up at Aroma Tools, you can get them at nice health food stores. And you're just going to take a glass bottle about this size. If you want to go bigger, just increase your ingredients. You're just going to pour in some hot water. You can go distilled or purified, and just pour in a cup of water. Then with that, you're going to add a half a cup of white vinegar. Okay, I'm eyeballing it, but about a half a cup. And again, I don't have a funnel, so hopefully I can get this in. And then I'm just going to top these 2 ingredients off with my favorite oil, lemon. Now I'm going to put in about 10 or 12 drops. Why? Because I love, love, love it. And I want to make sure that that lemon comes through. So put your lemon oil in there, put your spray nozzle back on, and now you've got an amazing, non-toxic, kid-friendly. You want to put your kids to work? Give them a roll of paper towel, let them take this, they can go through the house. It doesn't matter where they spray it, but I'll tell you what, it's safe, and that's what we want for our kids, for our pets, for everybody in the house. You just go ahead, spray wherever you want, a shine and a wonderful scent. You're gonna be the cleanest house in town because you're cleaning with our powerful, amazing doTERRA lemon. Happy cleaning!